This is an image editing software named Krita, which is free and open source. And this is an image I created just now. Yes, I have created the image, not edited. This section here uses the power of Stable Diffusion models to generate an image. And all these tools on the left are capable of editing the image with the power of Stable Diffusion. Select the image, type the prompt, and change. This changes in the image was made just by typing prompt. This software can be used even without a powerful graphic card. I saw an option for cloud computing with free credits to start. The entire interface you are looking at is not just Krita now. It is Krita AI Diffusion. At first, I installed Krita, an image editing software. Next, I have added a plugin for AI features. This plugin is using Comfy UI at the backend to work with Stable Diffusion models. Krita AI Diffusion. This is the page of the plugin we will be using for AI diffusion models. The installation guide. These are the steps we need to follow to make Stable Diffusion work. First is about downloading Krita. Click the download. I am on Windows, so I got a Windows installer button. Once downloaded, open the download location. The installation will be simple. We can double-click to start the installation. Select the language. Click Next, accept the terms, then Next. Change the installation location if you want. The remaining can be accepted by Next button. The installation has been completed. Let's check the application. There is a desktop shortcut for the application. This interface looks fine to me. We have installed the Krita AI successfully. Next, we will need the AI Diffusion plugin. Then the plugin will use Comfy UI to run Stable Diffusion. This is the plugin we need to add in the Krita AI. I will share the link in the description. Python as a requirement is not mentioned for Windows. If you face any problem or error after installation, reinstall the application with Python. Search for Python 3.10.11. You should get in the first result. Scroll down to the File section. Download Python based on your system. Double-click to run the installer. You can check these both options to keep the process without any issues. You can continue further by clicking here and complete the installation. I have it already, so I will cancel this. To verify the installation, you can search command prompt in Windows and type Python space hyphen capital letter V. Press enter and you should see Python version as output like this. The hardware requirements are given here. The system should have an NVIDIA graphic card with minimum 6 GB memory, or else the image generation will be very slow. CUDA supporting graphics card is needed. That should be the 3000 or 4000 series graphic card. There is an option in the application for cloud computing. You will get a free 300 token at the beginning, which should let you generate a decent number of images as a beginner. So, even if you do not have a strong graphic card, you can start using the online services. It should work on AMD with DirectMul. I will try on MacBook later after this video. Next is the installation section. The first step is about installing Krita application, and it's done. The second step says about downloading the plugin. Click this to download. I have placed the download file in one folder, so it becomes easier for me. This is the plugin I downloaded just now. I need to import the plugin in the application. To do so, in the application, go to Tools, then Scripts. Then click Import Python plugin from Files. Select the plugin downloaded just now. The application is asking whether to activate the plugin now. I will say yes, and restart the application. The plugin must be activated now. This interface is basic, without the AI options. To have those options, go to Settings, Configure Krita. Scroll down, and go to Python Plugin Manager. The first checkbox, AI Image Diffusion, should be checked. The second setting is inside Docker, AI Image Generation, but the option is disabled. Go to the Start, and just add an empty canvas. The setting should be active now. Let me verify if it's checked. It is active now. This section is about AI images. Click Configure. There are 3 options here. The third option is the one I spoke about earlier. It is for those who do not have a strong graphic card. Below the Sign In button will let you sign in to the server providing graphic card service online. This online graphic card will be used to process the AI image. If you do not have a strong graphic card, you can sign in and use this service. If I click, a login and registration page opens. I am registering for the first time. Fill the email ID and the password section and click Continue. You will receive the verification code on your email. Enter the code here. Then this page appeared in my case. After some time, it gave some error. I tried again by clicking at the Sign In button. Then it was successfully authenticated. Back to the application, you can see the free credits to use the online services of graphic card. In the account section, you will find an option to buy more credits. I will see how many credits it takes to generate one image. I will switch to the first option, for the graphic card users. Comfy UI will be downloaded here. This is where the third requirement will be fulfilled. I will change the path to the same folder where I kept Krita. And then click Install. This will take time. Once done, you should get a starting server message like this. This green message, server running, means Comfy UI is working. This is where we will be doing the AI stuff now. The top portion should be for the image editing things. This looks like styles, for cinematic images, then comic and digital artwork. I will try a simple prompt, a woman, and click Generate. The memory occupied was consistent. Somewhere between 6 and 8 gigabytes. The first image generated was inappropriate. This is the second image. I will try saving this image. This export option should work. I am not a graphic artist. What am I doing is wrong. I realize it is like the PSD file in Photoshop. This is the option to save. The AI image can be generated, edited, and saved. It is simple. In the next video, we will be looking at the models and LoRa. I am planning to learn and make multiple videos on this application. What are your thoughts?